Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Another useful and informative video which is about how to fix Wi-Fi grayed out issue on iPhone after iOS 17 update. So first of all, I will request to my all friends, please subscribe and share my YouTube channel. Press the bell icon for more latest videos, so do not waste any time. First of all, fix this issue. First solution, you have turn on and turn off airplane mode. It sounds very simple and meaningless, but it is still the most immediate way to get then you have of Wi-Fi problem. Try the ways to below the airplane mode on and off to fix the problem. So you have open the setting and then you have airplane mode run on and off 3 or 4 times on your iPhone. Then second solution, you have reset network setting. The Wi-Fi grayed out problem could also be cached by network setting. To check if it is an available approach, you should know that everything saved in the current settings will be erased after resetting network settings, including VPN setting, Wi-Fi password, Bluetooth connections, and etc. So you have open the setting and then click on center, scroll up. Then you have click on transfer or reset. Then you have click on reset network setting. iPhone given a passcode. Then you have enter a passcode. Reset network setting on iPhone automatic you have set. Third solution, you have reset all setting on iPhone. If the problem still exists after resetting network setting, after you can take a further steps reset all settings. So you have open the setting again, you have click on general, again you have click on transfer or reset, then you have click on reset all settings. iPhone given a passcode, then you have enter a passcode. Do not lose any data on your iPhone, only reset all settings on your iPhone. Fourth solution, you have update iOS the latest version. Usually the increases are grayed out. Wi-Fi problem may occur due your iPhone system's version. Using iTunes or from device settings and check whether the Wi-Fi works. Then last solution, you have restore iPhone to factory resetting. Resorting the iPhone to factory resetting in another nuclear approach to fix iPhone grayed out problem. This is not the last approach, but restoring everything to factory setting is always a feasible way to solve serious issues. So hopefully guys, after watching this video you will all know. If you have any problem, so please let me know in the comments box. Thanks for watching, see you in the next video. Do not forget subscribe and share my YouTube channel. Allah Hafiz.